Today I'm making a jalapeno cheeseburger with gorgonzola mayo. Okay, get a mason jar, some garlic, bada bing, a lemon, and one room temperature egg. Roll the lemon a little bit, slice the lemon in half. Okay, a couple cloves of garlic. Oh. Chop up that garlic. Put one egg in the jar. Put in a spoonful of mustard. A little bit of apple cider vinegar. Squeeze in half a lemon. A little pinch of salt. Crack some black pepper in there. Okay, take 1 cup with a neutral tasting oil like avocado oil. You could use canola oil, but I don't like to because it's made by demons. And you'll go straight to hell if you use canola oil. Dripping. Okay, use a stick blender at the bottom of a jar on high. Once it looks emulsified, you can start bringing up the blender slowly. Slap that garlic in there. And some fresh gorgonzola, which is French for schmegma. Look at that mayo. That's the same kind of mayo that collects up in my armpits on a hot summer day. Take a big old glop of that mayo. A glop. Jalapeno. An onion. Brioche bun. Slice that onion. Turn the stove on. Oil that bitch up.
Slow, motherfucker.
Once those are good, throw in some butter. Oh, look at that butter. I'm about to butter these buns. A ball of meat. Okay, take your ground beef, make it a patty, and then give a little smiley face. Slap on some salt and pepper.
Some cheese. Slap this bitch.
Some more butter. Medium heat, throw on that patty. Throw the cheese on there right before it's done so it can melt real nice. gonna slice up that jalapeno we just cooked. Take the bottom bun and give it a big old nice glop of that sauce. Big old glop. Gotta throw on the onions. Slap down that patty. And top it off with those jalapenos. Another little glop on the top bun. That's what you call glop on the top, baby. You know it's not real unless you give it a squeeze. Oh, god damn. That's it.